Imagine yourself in this 2018 Kia Stinger GT2. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 12-way power adjustable driver's seat, 365 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, all-wheel drive, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission and Bluetooth. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.